I've been sitting here thinking about all the things you do for me.
Hello and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you've been well since the last one. So today I'm doing a voiceover. It's my first, so let's see how it goes. We are packed and ready and come to pale kukula tu kama kawaida. But we are going to Portland, if I haven't said. We're going for about 2 to 3 days. So here we are starting our journey. You can come along if you want to. I have never seen smoke covering a whole city the way I saw on that day. So that was our first. And that was from the fires in California, which is wild. I love water.
I really believe it's safe to say that I'm happy without you. We're just
I don't know who painted this, but Martin looks stressed. Yay. Jamaa amechoka.
it's far too clear that you took my heart for keeping, and it won't stop beating. Why won't you tell me that you feel it too?
We stopped at 5 for breakfast, and this place was inside a Harley Davidson, which was really cool. There was a long line, but support black business. And she was good. She was able to make me a French toast, blueberry French toast, which was amazing. And I had a potato and egg fry thing that was bomb. Yeah, I tasted it. I had a grilled cheese with some chips, and I think my godchild had the same thing as well. Me, I don't play with food. All gone. Kwisha. Karibu hata nikule hiyo carton.
Nothing can go wrong. So if I made
I love my novels. That's something I don't think I'll ever outgrow,
listen
and I don't plan to.
I have to say, I need to tell you. That's what I'm gonna do. Tell you how I feel for you. Tell you how I really care.
We stopped at the rest stop to get some water, snacks, use the bathroom, and obviously get some gas.
Honestly, I might catch a flight tonight, just in time to pick you up and see the sunrise. Days with you are my getaway, peace of mind on a rainy day. You know how to show up right on time, never late. You're everything I want, don't play. You're everything I need, don't change the way you feel. And baby, I'ma keep it real. If they gave me everything, I would give it all away for you. Give it all away. With you, I know I'll be okay. Girl, there ain't nothing I wouldn't do. You leave and it hurts so bad, even when I know that you're coming right back. It's like I need to be right where you're at. Only thing on my mind, yeah, we both know that. If you need me, then I'm on my way. If we're together, then I'll be okay. Just know that I'm here to stay. If they gave me everything, I would give it all away for you. Give it all away. With you, I know I'll be okay. Girl, there ain't nothing I wouldn't do. If they gave me everything,
So this is actually my first time in Portland. I've never been before, and the first stop is to get me a new laptop because my old one, that one is anaomba tamsama, ameomba retire, and it's cheaper in the sense that there are no taxes in Portland compared to Washington, where taxes ingekuwa $300. Do I look mad to you? I don't look mad to me. So yeah, driving 3 hours made sense to go get it. Soft life. Taxes ni wewe na kwenyu. It's 7:09 p.m. We are in Portland. Actually, I think I'll go ahead and order mine. Oh, okay. Can I have the lamb lovers?
No.
Yeah.
Do you want olives? I kind of raised.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want? God damn it. What do you want?
Raisins, please.
Okay, it's gonna make it sweet. Okay.
Let me do it.
Eggplant? Yeah, and then do it fried.
Yeah, sure.
What time is it? 7:09. Okay, where are we sleeping today?
That is the bubble.
Wait. Okay.
Curiosity imekuwa too much. Naweza pita, msiogope. It's okay.
Oh, you're good.
with you, girl. You make me feel brand new. Come on, give it up to me. Let me take care of you. I know that your mama said I'm gonna make you cry all night. I'll cry a river of tears that flows to the sea. Baby, if you run away, baby, if you leave. Up and hit the road, searching high and low. Never can tell, you never really know. Running out of breath, need you to pull me.
Asante madam. Canteen ya high school.
I know.
Special diet.
Usimwagilie huyu.
I need you to come around. I call it love. You think I'm crazy. You're trying to work.
This was my first time in an RV, and we were right next to the road, so there was traffic, and the way they drive down here is crazy. And then I later on had breakfast. We had some zucchini, mushrooms, onions, and toast, French toast, with some cured sausage, with some tea, of course. And a clean plate is the way to go. If at your big age you're not eating veggies, you need to be in jail.
Touch me like that. Stick around. Swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you now. I can't get enough. I don't know how you did it. Boy, you got me spinning round your bedroom. Touch me like the sun touches the morning. Yeah, yeah. Wind me up one. Looking, you could read me like a story. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body. Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of
Katikati ya mkate, unaweka krimu mzima mpaka iko na layer hata muone. Unaona katikati unaona hivi. Ile ya yes.
Mama for you guys. Ndio sasa atakuwa wewe.
Swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you.
Tibid, kidogo umejipata huko ndani.
Do it again. No going back. Got it back. On my head, on my bed. Do it again. No going back. Got it back.
Kuna strago.
Wait, is that a man going right there? No fucking way!
Oh no.
Now, I got a money It's a family of. Oh my god! That is so cool.
Makan nila. Bakis.
From the moment I saw you, when I looked in your eyes, thought that this could be trouble, but I wanted to try, 'cause I'm good at pretending.
10 out of 10 experience. Would I recommend? Yeah. Probably in the summer for me, because I can't feel my fingers. Alrighty, we made it to the top. Bye, boy.
All the things that we say, they don't hold any water. We forget the next day. They say love makes you crazy, but I need you around. Just be careful where you step, 'cause my heart's on the ground. One step forward and 2 steps back.
And bring it to us.
This is how we do our things. Now I need you here forever. Oh, one step forward and 2 steps back. This is how we do our thing. I never thought I could love you. Now I need you here forever.
Yes.
Never again. Aku narin kita hivi treatment meende
One step forward and 2 steps back. This is how we do our day. Never thought I could love you. Now I need you here forever. One step forward and 2 steps back. This is how we do our day. I never thought I could love you.
Friend, my friend. Friend. See, let's go.
Ito, alin yung mga bully.